Alright, this is a whirlpool slash Kenmore washing machine. It just kind of sits and makes a grinding noise while it's running. And what it is, this is the motor. Between the motor and the transmission is this coupler. You can see this coupler's broken. So then it just sits there and hits all sides of that one. So this is a $22 part with shipping and tax altogether from Parts Select. So I don't think you need to pull this all the way out to replace this. I started pulling it all apart because I wasn't sure what was broken, but looks like a common fix for this style of washing machine. I threw one away that was making the same noise and I thought it was the transmission, which was a $300 part, and turns out it wasn't it. So transmission feels fine. So anyway, that's it.